Okay, can we see your face? Can you sit a bit closer?
Before and after. You can't fix perfection.
Okay, so as you can tell, Eric has volunteered to be my guinea pig, and it really didn't take much.
I did not volunteer.
Yes, you did.
You volunteered me.
I asked you, and you didn't even fight
Okay, it's
against
fine.
me.
No, it's cool.
You were like, sure, let's do it.
I'm not, you know, it's fine.
Okay, so to make sure he'll come back again, I'm not going to go too crazy on his face.
I don't know. Whatever, like...
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm not like...
He's had his makeup done before. He had his makeup done.
I'm not scared. I'm just like...
He had his makeup done for a wedding, so he has some experience with makeup. I'm going to prep your face. Can you close your eyes? And relax your face, okay? It's not like it's attacking you. Doesn't it smell nice? It smells like roses. This is the Say Glowy Super Gel. Gives you a nice shiny base, which is exactly what Eric wants. He already doesn't even listen to me and put sunscreen on, so he just has no idea what's going on today. Okay, relax. Okay, relax your face. It's okay.
You're putting stuff on my face though. It's just my natural reaction. I'm not like scared.
Are you the same shade as me? Okay, you're a bit darker. My favorite. But
I'm
for
darker.
Eric,
I'm not darker than you. Look at.
Are you not darker than me?
Look at the. Unless the lighting is different.
I mean, I have my makeup done, so I have like color on my face.
Okay.
But I think this is like, because I'm a 5 and this is a 6. I feel like, fine. Let's just see. I feel like you always take a shade a bit. Yeah, I feel like this is a good shade for you. Should be good. You know, maybe you are a 5.
I don't know. I'm just saying I'm not darker than you.
A little bit here and a little bit here.
So if you just put the lighter one on, it makes it.
I'm just blending
fixes
it. Yeah, I'm just blending
Or is it like additive?
No, it just blends. It's okay, man. Shh. Let it happen.
It's like when you do like painting and you add.
You know, it is like painting though. It lightens the shade.
White plus black equals gray.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, like that. There you go. There you go. It looks pretty good. How does it feel?
I don't know. It just feels like you're brushing my face.
I asked some people what should I do with your face, and some people said Douyin makeup.
Like TikTok?
I guess you haven't really seen. Okay, you're not on that, area of the internet.
Definitely not.
Okay, it's like how Chinese girls do their makeup.
Oh.
But I won't, okay? But I think that's for next time. Just keep that in mind.
Is this because everyone hates me?
They were just giving me creative ideas. Men do wear makeup though.
I'm
For like,
no,
there's men's Douyin makeup. I was doing research last night.
Okay. Sure. I mean, whatever
the people want.
Whatever the people want.
So this is brow gel, by the way.
I'm just comforted by the fact that this all can come off afterwards.
You're gonna wash it straight off, all my hard work?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if you mess it up, like.
So this is a MAC Glow Play Cushiony Blush, but it's like really neutral colored, and I think it would look nice with you. You can barely notice it, but it adds a little bit of color. Maybe we can go crazy with the pinks later.
Yeah. So how long would this take if I was to do this myself?
Oh gosh. I don't know.
I mean,
maybe you should try it. That can be the next video.
It would be here for
I just talk to you and I'll just direct you through it.
That is.
I'm gonna add a little bit more pink to your cheeks to give you that kawaii look.
I'm supposed to close my eyes?
No, you don't need to close your eyes right now.
You're like poking me in the eyes. No,
no, actually. Sorry. Oh, I didn't even put concealer on you. Man. Okay, well.
Just my eye bags. Look at that.
Don't worry, we'll get that fixed up.
That's a bag right there.
Okay, well, I guess I probably should have done this before. And put a little bit underneath your nose.
My cheeks look very rosy.
It's the point of blush, my friend.
Oh. So do you think people will respect me more now?
No, this is just this is all for your own self-confidence, okay?
I'm already confident.
This is just art.
Okay.
Just gonna blend the blush with your concealer, since I forgot to do that step before. Now, that is really pink. Let's contour your face. At this point, I think you're just doing your makeup like me.
Great.
What, you don't like my makeup?
No, I'm just. Why we're supposed to look the same? Is that what you want?
I don't know. You don't want to look like me? Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
And then the temples. Okay, turn your face towards me. Brush, brush, brush. It's actually kind of fun to do it on somebody
I'm
else.
not picking up Jacob today.
What do you mean you don't want to show up
imagine?
like this? I think all them other moms would think it's great.
Actually, I have no idea how it would react.
They probably wouldn't even notice. It's actually really interesting doing it on somebody else because I can see so close up on your face, whereas for me, I'm just always looking
So it's gonna
into this.
So it's gonna be a better job.
Yeah, so your makeup's gonna be amazing.
Wow, my cheeks are very rosy.
That's the whole point of blush.
Should I go up to my mom and just see if she notices?
Oh yeah, totally. That's actually a great idea. How come I don't know where anything is? See, everything's been pretty easy so far, don't you think?
What do you mean?
I feel like I haven't done anything too crazy on you. It's been...
You're putting a lot of stuff on my face.
Okay, ooh, eyeshadow. Should we do it? This is the MAC eyeshadow in Espresso. Not that that means anything to you.
I mean, the eyeshadow is a special color.
Okay, very nice. Okay, close your eyes. Should I give you a nice smoky eye?
Yeah.
Okay, relax your eyelid. Relax your
When
eyelid.
you tell me to relax it, it makes it less relaxed.
Okay. Breathe. If you squinch up your face, you're gonna make it harder for me to actually... Open. Okay.
Well, it's you know when you put something.
Yes.
It's like no,
Okay,
I'm not.
open. Keep your eyes open. Just.
I'm trying.
Okay, just.
I'm trying.
Keep your eye open. I need a blend.
I'm trying. I can't.
You're moving yourself.
It's a natural reflex. Like I can't.
You can overcome your natural reflexes. Okay.
Oh wow.
Okay.
I'm trying.
Okay.
Do you want me to like hold it open?
No. Okay, relax. Shh. Oh my god. I also forgot you have monolid, so that makes this different.
Can I open my eye? Is it worth it?
It's worth it. Man, doing makeup on somebody else is so different.
Is this your first time?
Yeah?
Is it easier or harder?
It's harder because your face, like, I'm
My
obviously
face is
very
different.
familiar with my face,
Oh.
but like, and also you can't keep your eyes open.
Okay, well, here. I feel.
Stop being so dramatic.
I do look like you.
Okay, open it. Keep your eyes open. You have a very, like, natural aerosol, like this thing of fat, this little area of fat underneath your eye. So I'm just tracing it.
I'm trying my best, okay?
I know, and you're doing a great job. And now to make it pop. Okay, wait, keep your eyes open. Just gonna highlight this area. No, keep your eyes open. I'm not actually that
Okay,
close
I'm
to your...
I'm not saying you are, I'm just
Okay, look at me. Keep your eyes open.
trying my best. I just blink a lot, like even when you're not doing makeup.
Fair. I'm trying to figure out what lip color we should do on you.
I don't know.
You look so pretty.
Whatever accentuates
your beauty.
Yeah.
I would curl your eyelashes, but I think that you would hate that feeling. Would you hate that feeling?
Probably. It's okay.
Okay, let's just do mascara.
Let me try.
It's okay. I will not torture you like that.
I find that if I try to open my eyes, it makes it harder.
Just look straight. Okay, no, don't look up. Just look straight. Okay?
God, this every day. How do I look?
Your lips are so chapped, like your son's.
Okay.
So gonna just... Okay, look at me. Oh man, you really need to exfoliate your lips, but that's for another day. For our next video, I'll make sure your lips are exfoliated.
There's a lot of lip chap.
It's not that much.
It feels like a lot.
That's how much I normally put on.
Really?
Yeah.
Like I can feel there's like a layer.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a thick layer. That's how your lips stay hydrated. Okay, this is Laneige.
Oh, where my lips are chapped.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna just be like your lip color, but better. Have you ever heard of that? My lips, but better? No? MLBB? That's what people say nowadays. Oh, wow, that's a nice color on you. Okay, I have to tap it. Stop laughing.
It was like I took a bite out of a jelly donut.
Okay, wait. Can you close your mouth? Okay, I'm gonna tap to blend. I know in Korean dramas, all the men's lipsticks are always so red and so pink. I don't know if that's like on purpose, but...
So this is more like neutral?
This is just... This actually looks like your lip color.
But better.
But better. Do you see that? I feel like I should line your lips too while I have you.
Wow, you have me. You always have me.
That's a great line. Okay, let me clean up under here.
What are you cleaning? Are you hiding my facial hair?
No, it's just because I got lip liner over there. Okay, no, you need to...
I'm just looking at myself.
Face me. It's not nearly done, my guy.
I want to see how pretty I am.
Okay, you're very beautiful.
So, is it fun doing makeup?
I think so. Because there's always so much to learn. Like, you can always do your makeup differently.
It's like art.
It truly is. Okay.
Guess that's like if it's fun, then...
It feels more and more... The more I learn about it, the more it feels like art. It's just that I'm not painting on a canvas, I'm painting on my face. Look, how pretty do you look? Okay, look at me. Yeah, look how voluptuous those lips look. Okay, wait, let me fix some stuff though.
Wow.
I just essentially did your makeup like I would have done mine. Okay, relax.
I'm honestly trying. Can I close my eye?
Yes, you can close your eyes.
Close my eye.
We're gonna set with some powder. Do you know what that means?
No. What?
Setting with powder.
Setting with powder. Do you say like lock it in?
So basically, you want to look at the camera and you find areas. Well, normally with the T-zone, which is here, that gets shiny. You want to reduce shine. And also, we don't want product to move, so we put a little bit under the eye.
Okay.
But not too much, because we don't want it to be too cakey.
Okay. What's that do?
Setting spray. So it's gonna lock everything in.
Oh, that's what locks it in.
How do you feel? You look very pretty.
I feel like I have lots of makeup on my face.
You had to pose in front of the camera to see what it like how I would do it, like at the end of a video.
Oh, I don't know how. Oh.
Is that your impression of me? Like when I'm...
I don't know, kind of.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, that was pretty good. You look very pretty. Oh, I need to fix something though.
Are you offended by my impression?
No, I think that's great. Okay, so
That's
you'll
it,
come
my
back
eye, smoky eye.
So you'll come back for another video, right?
So, like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sure.
You'll come
it's
back
fine.
for another video?
You know, yeah. I mean, you know, you spent all this time putting love onto my face, and that's nice. It's nice to spend time with you.
So you promised, right?
Yeah, sure. I mean, it's not like I'm not having a bad time.
Okay, great. Okay, he's coming back, so give us recommendations for the next one. Bye!